What's up, guys? Jason on the Minto Show. Thanks for tuning in. Thanks for being a subscriber. All right, guys, so it is Monday, July 14th, and I'm out here with our 2025 Honda Pioneer, and I just got done washing it. This was actually the first time I washed it since we bought it last year. We don't get crazy with it. It just runs, helps with firewood. We don't go off-roading with anything with it. Not yet, but we just baby it and take care of it. But it's got done washed, but we got the state fair coming up, and this is the first year this thing's going. I used to have a golf cart all the time, and one thing this thing didn't have, I love my golf cart, was like a rear view mirror. And I was looking, and I finally found a set of side mirrors that I think will work. I'm gonna butcher this name. It's Amazon Shejisi? I don't know. I'll leave a link below. I went ahead and installed the first one on the driver's side. Super simple install. One thing I definitely wanted in these mirrors is that, we bought this 520 because of the width, because I needed it to fit in the garage next to the tractor. And I didn't want like really far protruding mirrors. So these ones, actually, I'm really happy how they fit right on here, right? They're like kind of tucked in with the body here, and they would wrap around that what's it, an A-pillar. But I'm really happy how they went and installed it. There's still a plastic cover on here, so don't mind that. But yeah, so far so good. And they fold and rotate, angle, whatever you want to do. Yeah, they come the whole way out, snap back, go the whole way in, and you can adjust them however you want to adjust them. So I'll just have to adjust them once I get in the driver's seat and figure it out. But I figured we got that side down, and we could go ahead and install the second one together. So here we go. All right, guys, it's only a few pieces to the install. First thing we gotta do is we gotta take off this cover that exposes two nuts here that we need to loosen and then tighten. Pretty much we're working on this metal ring here, so pretty much they want you to loosen it and loosen it to a point, and then you can pop out this pin, and that will allow us to go around the A-pillar there, and then we can install it. All right, guys, and pretty much we're going to reinsert that metal back into the plastic here, and then we're going to drop this pin that we removed right back in. There we go, pins in, and now it's just a matter of using the supplied wrench here. Come around the side here, you can see right here is the screw. We're just going to tighten this up. Now I had to tighten it pretty far, so just fair warning, I might be here for a minute screwing this in, but it's kind of nice because the bottom of it rests on this other piece of metal, so I think that helps out. It gives a little bit more support. All right, guys, I think we're there. There we go. That's on there nice and good. Pretty much now I'm just going to see which way we need to tilt it. Need to bring it this way a little bit. So once we got it all adjusted, they give you this other wrench here, and there's a little silver nut, and we are just going to give that, just tighten that up a little bit. Okay, guys, we are all done. Everything's how I want it to be. So now I just got to put this, I think I can get this. This is that little plastic plate that we took off at the beginning. I think I can get it on there without raising the windshield up. See if we can do this. Yep, there we go. So I think that looks pretty cool. Nice little side mirrors. That guy looks pretty sweet. We'll leave that plastic on there until till we start going here, but that's kind of like what it did to it. It added, I don't know, 6-8 inches on each side. So, but that will definitely that'll definitely keep us safe. That way we know, if cars are coming behind us, because there's a lot of traffic at the fair and the roads I use to get around some of the access roads. So that was a quick one for tonight. Sorry, I don't know how to pronounce the name, but that's it. I'll leave a link below if you're interested in the mirrors. They seem like they're pretty sweet, so we're gonna run them for the next 10 days, and I'll report back on how they're working out. But I got them nice and snug on there, nice and tight, and yeah, that's it. All right, guys, thanks for tuning in. Thanks for being a subscriber. See you next one. Bye, guys.